The holidays are one of the best times to plan your estate, so this question comes in perfect timing. So, the top 5 things I would do as an estate planning attorney. Number one, I would take this time to create a list of everything that has changed in my life recently. Whether you have gone through a divorce, lost a family member who you would potentially give something to, or if you are in a position now where you are to receive an inheritance, those are some of the biggest things that you want to consider when planning your estate. Number two, I will take this time to talk to my family and my friends about what my plans are. Right now is the best time with everyone home. It is also the very, very best time to talk about what would happen if something were to happen to you. Who would you want to step in and what their roles in your future, your children's future may be? Number three, I would take this time to look at my beneficiaries on life insurance policies, 401k plans, any investments that I have that have beneficiaries listed. I would make sure that everyone who is listed as a beneficiary is, for one, old enough to take so that there are no minors, and two, someone who you would still want to be a beneficiary. One of the biggest things that tends to happen when someone passes away is that they still have an ex-spouse listed as a beneficiary, and this, of course, is not someone that they would still want to take. Number four, if you have an older person in your family, this can be a parent, a grandparent, a great grandparent, or either a great great grandparent that you want to learn more about their story, I would take this time to interview them and to have them create a legacy letter. What this would entail is essentially a letter that they write to you, to their family members, just telling them about their life, telling them how they got to where they are, what they want to see from their future generations, and something that will just stay in your family for years to come. We don't know when things will happen. We don't know how long our family members will be alive. So while we have time, I would make sure that I get with those people, get those legacy letters, those legacy interviews done to ensure that when that time comes, you have something to remember them by and something that you can pass to your children and your grandchildren alike. And number five, I would get started. You are never too young to start your estate plan. And at the same time, you are never too old. If you have things to protect, you need an estate plan. Anyone over the age of 18 at the very least needs power of attorneys, healthcare documents, just to let others know what you want to happen to you and your things if you cannot make those decisions for yourself. So I would get started as soon as possible. Don't wait. Many people wait sometimes until it is too late, and then your family ends up with a big mess to clean up while they are mourning. So there you have it, my top 5 things that I would do as an estate planning attorney this holiday season. I hope that you have a very safe weekend and a very, very Merry Christmas.